Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation 1 over x plus 4 plus 3 over x plus 2 plus 7 over x minus 2 plus 9 over x minus 4 equal to x squared plus 5x minus 4. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we move this negative 4 to the left hand side. We write this 4 as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this will become 1 divided by x plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 divided by x minus 2 plus 1 plus 9 divided by x minus 4 plus 1 equal to this x squared plus 5 times x. Now we can write the denominator of this 1 and take LCM of this 1 and x plus 4. The LCM of 1 and x plus 4 is x plus 4. So this 1 will come here plus 1 time this x plus 4 x plus 4 plus in the same way the LCM is x plus 2 and this 3 will come here plus this x plus 2 plus the LCM is x minus 2. This 7 will come here and x minus 2 plus x minus 2 plus the LCM is x minus 4 and this 9 will come here plus x minus 4 equal to x squared plus 5 times x. Now this numerator will become x plus 5 divided by x plus 4 plus this numerator will become x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 plus this numerator will become x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 plus this numerator will become x plus 5 divided by x minus 4 equal to, we can factor out x from these two terms. This will become x times x plus 5. From these four terms we can factor out x plus 5 and in bracket left 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 and move this x times x plus 5 to the left hand side. This will become negative x times x plus 5 equal to 0. As you can see, this expression x plus 5 is a common factor, so we factor out this x plus 5 and in bracket left these four terms 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 and this negative x equal to 0. Now either this expression x plus 5 equal to 0 or this second factor 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 minus x equal to 0. From this equation, if we move this 5 to the right hand side, this will become x equal to negative 5. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. To find other solutions, we solve this equation. From this equation, we combine these two terms, 1 over x plus 4 and 1 over x minus 4, and we combine these two terms, 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2. So this will become 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x minus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 minus this x equal to 0. Now we take LCM of these two denominators. The LCM is x plus 4 times x minus 4. So x minus 4 will come here, plus x plus 4 will come here. In the same way, we take LCM of these two denominators. The LCM is x plus 2 times x minus 2. So x minus 2 will come here, and plus x plus 2 will come here. Minus x equal to 0. This 4 will be cancelled with this negative 4, and this 2 will be cancelled with this negative 2. X plus x will become 2 times x, divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4 will become x squared minus 16, plus x plus x 2x, divided by x plus 2 times x minus 2, x squared minus 4, minus x equal to 0. Now we can factor out x from these three terms. This will become x times 2 divided by x squared minus 16 plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Either this expression x equal to 0, or this second factor 2 divided by x squared minus 16 plus 2 divided by x squared minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. This 0 is the second solution of this equation, and to find the solutions, we solve this equation. To simplify the solution, we suppose that let x squared equal to u. So this will become 2 divided by u minus 16 plus 2 divided by u minus 4. Move this negative 1 to the right hand side, this will become positive 1. And take LCM of these two denominators. The LCM of denominators is u minus 16 times u minus 4. So u minus 16 will be cancelled out, and we multiply this 2 by this u minus 4. This will become 2 times u minus 4, plus in the same way we multiply this 2 by this u minus 16, u minus 16 equal to 1. Now we distribute this 2 times u to u, and 2 times negative 4 negative 8, 2 times u plus 2u, and 2 times negative 16 negative 32. If we multiply this LCM by this one, this will become u times u, u squared, and u times negative 4 negative 4u, negative 16 times u negative 16u, and negative 16 times negative 4 plus 64. Further simplify, this will become 2u plus 2u 4 times u, and negative 8 minus 32 negative 40 equal to u squared, negative 4u minus 16u negative 20 times u plus 64, and we subtract 4u and add 40 to both sides. We subtract 4 times u and add 40 to both sides. So this cancelled out, this cancelled out, and the equation will become u squared minus 24 times u plus 104 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and we solve it by completing the square method. We can write this u squared as u squared, and this negative 24u can be written as negative 2 times u times 12. It means to complete the square we add here 12 squared, that is 144. Also subtract 144 plus 104 equal to 0. This u squared minus 2 times u times 12 plus 144 is a perfect square. This will become u minus 12 whole squared, and negative 144 plus 104 will become negative 40 equal to 0. Move this negative 40 to the right hand side. The equation will become u minus 12 whole squared equal to 40, and we take square root of both sides. So this square will be cancelled with the square root at left hand side. We are left with the u minus 12 equal to plus minus root 40 will become root 4 times root 10, and further simplify, u will be equal to 12 plus minus 2 times root 10. Now recall that we have supposed x squared equal to u. Recall that x squared equal to u. It means that x squared will be equal to 12 plus 2 times root 10, and x squared will be equal to 12 minus 2 times root 10. If we take a square root of both sides, this implies that x is equal to plus or minus square root of 12 plus 2 times root 10. And if we take a square root of both sides of this equation, this implies that x equal to plus or minus the square root of 12 minus 2 times root 10. This is third and fourth, and this is fifth and sixth. And first we found that x1 equal to negative 5 and x2 is equal to 0. So we have 6 solutions for this equation: negative 5, 0, and plus minus root 12 plus 2 times root 10, and plus minus root 12 minus 2 times root 10.